120 is what percent of 15? So dito, gagawa tayo ng mathematical equation. Yung word na is, palaging equal. Ang ibig sabihin yan. Itong word na what, yan yung hinahanap natin. So ilagay natin as n. Itong percent, ibig sabihin yan, percent na sign. So itong word na of, palaging multiplication ang ibig sabihin yan. So dito, makakabuo na tayo ng mathematical equation. So 120 is equal to n percent times 15. So dito, simplify na lang natin yung equation natin. So yung 15 dito, ilipat natin dito sa kabilang side. Since multiplication yung sign ng 15, so magiging division. 120 divided by 15 is equal to n percent. So dito, yung n percent, pwede natin gawin fraction yan. So magiging 120 divided by 15 is equal to n over 100. So para matanggal natin yung 100 dito, so i-multiply lang natin both sides. So, i-multiply natin ng 100. Para makancel natin yung 100 dito, n na lang yung matitira. So, dito, meron tayong 100 times 120 divided by 15. Itong 15 at saka 120, parehong divisible by 15. So, kapag dinivide natin yung 15 sa 15 is equal to 1. Tapos, yung 120, kapag dinivide natin sa 15 is equal to 8. So, ibig sabihin, meron na lang tayong 100 times 8. So, 100 times 8 is equal to 800. Tapos, huwag natin kalimutan kasi what percent yung hinahanap natin. So, lagyan natin ng percent na sign yung sagot natin. So, 800% yung sagot natin.